Warning, the video you're about to see is for research purposes only. It goes without saying that you should not try this at home. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be working on my dolly. As you can see, I tried putting air on the tires. They don't inflate, they're not cooperating, so we're going to be doing something else. We're going to be using our mass airflow sensor and a cigarette lighter. So we're going to have this, we're going to have fire. We're going to try to fill this up with this thing right here, and then we're going to set it on fire and hopefully reach the tire, and then we're going to apply the air. I've never done this before. I've never done it. I'm scared. So let's try this. Let's try it. Alright, so first step is to spray this inside. Like so. Maybe a little bit more. Ah, I'm scared. Ah, damn it, I sprayed the floor. Shit. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ah! Damn it. It worked! It worked! It worked! I burned all my hair on my hand. But it worked. So we got one done. Let's try the second one. And hopefully this time I get to keep my hair. Alright, round 2. Let's do this again. Let's do this, let's do this. Okay. Okay. This is... why did I get it on my fingers? 1, 2, 3. Let's get this out of the way. Oh my goodness, I didn't take off the... I didn't remove the plug. Darn it! Okay. Always remove the plug before you set something on fire. Duly noted. Now, let's try this again. For real now. No, nothing there? Okay. Let's spray that again. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! A lot of fire. A lot of fire. Come on. Dang it. Oh! We got it. A little more air. Still on fire. All right, so we done it. We did it. We filled it up with air, both of them, and we're still alive. Well, that's it for today's episode. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. That being said, that goes without. Don't do this at home, please. Don't do this at home, kids. All right. I'm a trained professional and a professional YouTuber. So, I'll see you guys on the next one.